CAMS Q3 FY26 results, highest ever revenue, 46% EBITDA margin, dividend declared. Computer Age Management Services Limited delivered its strongest performance to date in Q3 FY26, marking a milestone quarter for India's largest mutual fund registrar and transfer agent. The company reported its highest ever quarterly revenue, driven by broad-based growth across both mutual fund and non-mutual fund businesses. For the quarter ended December 2025, revenue stood at 390.14 crore rupees, registering 5.5% year-on-year growth and 3.6% sequential growth. This steady expansion highlights CAMS' ability to scale even amid market volatility and regulatory cost pressures. Profitability remained resilient. Profit before tax came in at 165.65 crore rupees, up 7.3% quarter-on-quarter, while profit attributable to owners stood at 125.54 crore rupees, reflecting 9.2% sequential growth. PAT margins remained healthy at 31.1%, underscoring operating discipline. A key highlight of the quarter was margin performance. EBITDA margin stood at a robust 46%, with absolute EBITDA rising to 179 crore rupees, the highest ever for the company. This margin strength was achieved despite the cost impact of new labor code implementation. CAMS mutual fund business continued to strengthen its leadership position. Assets under management crossed 55 lakh rupee crore, growing 18% year-on-year, broadly in line with industry growth while maintaining a dominant market share of around 68%. Equity assets scaled to an all-time high of 30.4 lakh rupees crore, with market share improving to 66.4%. Equity net sales reached approximately 84,000 crore rupees, significantly outpacing industry growth and pushing CAMS' market share in equity net sales to 71%. Systematic investment plan metrics remained strong. New SEEP registrations grew 18% year-on-year, reaching 1.16 crore registrations, well ahead of industry growth. SEEP collections expanded 20% year-on-year to 55,964 crore rupees, reinforcing CAMS' deep retail penetration. Beyond mutual funds, CAMS continued to build diversification. Non-MF revenue contribution increased to 14.5% of total revenue, supported by strong momentum across CRA, payments, alternatives, insurance repository, and RegTech platforms. CAMSCRA strengthened its position as India's second largest CRA, crossing 2.15 crore unique users, while the transfer of NSE CRA business further expanded scale. CAMSPay delivered standout performance with 59% year-on-year revenue growth, aided by new payment gateway launches. The alternatives business reported its highest ever quarterly revenue, supported by assets under management exceeding 3 lakh rupee crore. WealthServ adoption crossed 250 mandates, signaling strong traction in outsourced middle office solutions. For the 9-month period ended December 2025, CAMS reported revenue of 1,121.03 crore rupees, with PAT of 349.57 crore rupees and margins of 30.2%, reflecting consistency across reporting periods and reinforcing earnings quality. The board also recommended an interim dividend of 3 rupees and 50 paise per share, post-share split, reflecting confidence in cash flows and balance sheet strength. From an investor perspective, CAMS continues to demonstrate the strength of a recurring, fee-based, asset-light business model. Leadership in mutual funds, combined with rapidly scaling non-MF platforms, provides both stability and optional growth. Key risks to monitor include regulatory changes, market-linked transaction volumes, and execution in newer business verticals. However, CAMS, scale, technology depth, and entrenched client relationships offer strong competitive insulation. Overall, Q3 FY26 reinforces CAMS' position as a high-quality financial infrastructure compounder, delivering record revenue, strong margins, and diversified growth engines while maintaining shareholder-friendly capital allocation. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.